and welcome to MGTracey. Well, today we're going to be looking at the latest Shark. This is a corded lift away model, and one of the things I've noticed in the last few years is although we thought we'd all now be using battery based stick vacuums, certainly in America that never was the case, but it did look like we were going there in the UK, and people like Dyson actually stopped investing in corded uprights, a decision they've now reversed. This is the latest offering from Shark. It's the bestseller on Amazon, so let's have a look at going back to corded vacuums. This is great. So this is what you see when you empty the box, and it's all recyclable cardboard, which is great. This was a special edition offer on Amazon, and it comes with this car detail kit. You can see you've got tiny brushes, but this set also has the pet hair removal tool. I'll put the link below. You will find that on special days Amazon does seem to really knock down the price of Shark products, so it may be worth waiting for one of Amazon's special events, but if not, anyway, in the description below I'll put the links for you. Okay, so let's have a look at what you had in the box. So this is the base unit that you're going to use, and one of the interesting things here is to compare that in size to the Dyson head, and you can see it really is quite unwieldy, and the reason for that is within the Dyson you've got a digital motor that's actually built in here, actually inside the brush. The Shark is using much older technology, so yes, you've got a brush here, but this bit really is just the cover that's hiding the motor and the drive bands that are for it. This is your pet tool. Now what you've got here is you've obviously got a brush here, but it's powered in a different way. So unlike the Dyson where each one has a motor and is being connected to the battery or the mains, this has what Dyson used to do, which is basically there's a turbine, like a little water wheel in there, and it's using the suction to power that turbine, which has then got a little elastic band in there, which is actually, you can see, turning there, and that's what that does. And of course it works, but because most of your suction is being used up, the energy of it, by powering the turbine and then powering this, you don't get the greatest suction in the world. If you're going to be using this tool and you've got pets or ladies with long hair, I'm not sure this is going to be a runner, because you can already see that you're getting hairs jammed into this one, so it's not removing the hair from the brushes. So I wouldn't say I was a fan of the turbo brush. So you have a great 8-meter cable. You've got two good tools here that will just clip on the back of the base unit. So on top of the motor base unit you've got 3 switches. This is lift away from when you're disengaging from the main base cleaning unit, on off obviously, and then you've got another little switch here that you can grab, and then this allows you to take away the dust compartment. To empty it then, it's this button here, and then that one can go straight in the trash can. Like all modern vacuums, the Shark has multi-filtration to give you cleaner air than is normally in your house. So once you undock the waste bin, this is where your filters are based. So the filters will need your attention, changing and washing from time to time, and you can see they're located in the base there, just above the motor. And this is how you just dock your motor onto the base, and then if you want to lift it off, you can push your lift away button and you're free of the base unit. On the front there you've got another release for another filter that you can change. Now we're now going to connect the wand, and you'll see you've got these here. So these are meaning that you've got power running through these bits and pieces. So this is minimum maximum, and actually what you're doing is just letting some extra air in there to reduce the suction power on the wand. And if to undock this one, you're just flipping this switch here, and then that comes apart. So we're now going to connect the wand to the motor, and again to release. So 2 more steps now to complete this. We're going to put our motor onto the base unit, and then we're going to dock the wand into the back here. Again, if you want to release that, dead easy. Our sharp lift away is now starting to take shape. Two more things I need to show you here. This one stops your pipe wobbling around too much, and that's just, if you release it, you're just pulling it. So I showed you this button here, which is how you increase or reduce the suction. We've also got another switch here. So this one is down for carpet, up for hard floors. So I've got the chunky UK plug. You may well have the much neater American plug. We're ready to go. So a couple of things here. You will notice that when you reduce the suction, and you need to on carpet, otherwise you can't push it, it does actually make it quite noisy. And also you'll be able to see you've got your lights on the front as well. Okay, let's convert this over and we'll use it with me carrying the lift away. Right, let's have a go in this format. So let's have a go doing the sofa and the stairs using the turbine attachment. So you certainly, when you're doing the stairs, you need to have set your wand to maximum. If you have it like you would for the carpet floor to make it easy to move, then there's not enough power to actually get that beaten against the carpet. But again, that's much easier than trying to carry the whole of the vacuum with a stick trying to do your stairs. Then remember you've got an 8-metre cable, it's very easy to be able to do the whole of the stairs in one go. In my next video we'll cover off in more detail the car trim kit, but you could also use this I think for computer desks and anything really, where you just clip all these little bits together and it gives you much finer brushes that are ideal for all the nooks and crannies in the car. But I'll show you in the next video how we get on with this. Now, cable storage, time to put it away. So I hope you found that useful. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you can send me a super thanks, that would be wonderful. Over the next few videos I'll be exploring all my different vacuums.